Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You can see here with me this lovely 2003 Toyota Echo which came for some service, and this is a friend's car, so I'm performing bunch of the inspections. I will be changing the engine oil, right? I can see the sticker which is on the windshield. It's couple 100 miles due, but before I will do that, I would like personally see what is the condition and the level of engine oil. Let's go together in this video and check that. Here is the sticker on the windshield, right? It has a 185,014. That's what on the sticker when it's supposed to be changed. If you look on the odometer, this car has today 185,303. So as I said, we are approximately 300 miles due, right? This is a high mileage engine or the car, right? It's a 1.5 liter 1NZFE small engine. So let's see how the oil is. Now how you measure or how you check the engine oil, right? So first of all, the vehicle has to be parked on the perfectly level ground. Because if you will be on the slope, the oil in the pan might flow in one corner and the measurement will be not correct. So if you have it perfectly parked like that, the other condition is you have to wait at least 5 minutes. Why? Because you need give a time to the engine oil, which if it was running, right, to flow all the way down again in the oil pan, and give you again correct measurement on this engine oil dipstick. Now when I'm checking the engine oil, what am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for two things: the quantity, which is the level, right, how much the oil is in that engine, and also on the quality, if the oil is nice and clear, or if it's very old, burned, might have a dark brown color. That will definitely, in this case, show that the oil is old. And basically, how you measure that, right? How you measure the level? Well, you use the dipstick. So if it was sitting at least 5 minutes, you have a rag and you pull it out, right? You clean it perfectly. Here is the top and the minimum or maximum, right? Max and minimum levels, right? The oil should be ideally touching the top mark. So let's see how much oil is in this engine. I will put it there all the way, right, in and pull it out. How much oil in this engine? There's none regarding to this dipstick. Or, if you look on the detail, it's barely touching the bottom, the end of the dipstick. Well, this is a huge problem. That tells me that when I got this vehicle for the service, it was running for a long time with insufficient amounts of oil. And I will definitely have to know the owner about that and maybe investigate why it happened. And I didn't plan this situation to happen. I really just wanted to film a video for you how you check your engine oil on your Toyota Echo, right? This is a surprise to me. As I said, this engine oil change was scheduled to be done. However, there is a problem here. The engine was running with less than minimum amount of the engine oil. Therefore, that could be, unfortunately, some damage happened to it. it was running perfectly, right? I was surprised how peppy and how fast it is. And basically the conclusion of this is how important is periodically check, take few minutes, right? Pull that engine dipstick and periodically check your engine oil. You never know what's happening with it, if somebody didn't fill it up correctly, or if it's using a little bit of oil, and in this, I don't know even what is the maintenance interval, what is people printed on that sticker on the windshield. I don't know, did they use 3,500, did they use 5,000 miles as an interval? I have no idea. Some random service or the gas station did it, so we don't know. We don't know. What we have to make sure when I will perform this service, that we put enough oil and it will be all the way to the top mark, right? So yeah, I hope you can use this as an inspiration for, doing this and checking your engine oil. Let's say, I don't know, after 2,000 miles, it's good to open the hood, have a rack, right? Check the oil if it's enough, because you don't want to end up with catastrophic failure and replacing engine for $5,000, including the labor, right? Thank you for watching, my friend. Make sure you are subscribed. I will have way more videos coming your way soon. See you later.